Hello viewers, so I got a lot of requests to show this video once again with the front face, and here it is. Let's begin the video. It's a 8-bedroom house and it has amazing view. So here's the entrance and we have entered the house already. So this is a beautiful lobby space. On the right we have the first room. There's a common washroom for the living, and here's the first bedroom. As I've already mentioned that all the rooms have attached washrooms. So this is the living space. Connected living, and here's the terrace space. Beautiful view from the terrace. Take you ahead to show you the view more clearly. So now from here on, we'll see the dining and the kitchen space. Here's the entire dining space. The kitchen area. And now we'll move towards the first floor of the house, where we have 4 bedrooms. We'll climb the steps. And go towards the right side. The top view of the living. Here's the first room on the right side. And we have view from the room as well. So this time it's going to be different. I'm going to take you to the second room directly. Here's the second room, and I'll show you the view more clearly. Now we'll go to the third room. This room also has the balcony and the view. So let's just have a look at the view from here. Certainly the same view. But looks amazing. Living at such a place with zero pollution certainly is best. So now we'll go to the top floor. So basically I had mentioned last time that in the last video that this place is a living, but it's actually a huge bedroom as well, because it does have a attached washroom. You can look over here, there's a attached. Here's the attached bathroom. And here's the entire living cum bedroom. So yes, so it's 8 rooms. There was a confusion which I have cleared. Here's the entire view of the room. and the view from the top terrace. Here's the lawn view. Now we'll go to the basement. So basically it's an individual preference. However, certainly unobstructed view is more better and easy. So we are heading towards the base area. So this is how the lobby looks from the other side. And now we are at the base area. So we have the game section. And the entire seating over here. So this can be a bedroom as well. You can see it's so huge. There are 2 more rooms here in maintenance, as I had explained earlier. So the first floor has 4 rooms. Top floor has 1 room. The base floor has 1 room and 2 rooms over here. Total of 8 rooms in the entire house. And the lawn space. So I hope you have liked the new video, and the price of this house is 12 crores. So it's negotiable depending on the final deal and as per the meeting. So we'll come up with a new video once again. Thank you so very much for viewing this entire video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos in future.